Weekend Modder with a send-in service proof video for Mike G. Mike, this is the big block Jasper that you sent in for RGH service. We RGH'd it using the 1.2 method and a matrix glitch chip. We did the pink LEDs in it as you requested, and inside the paper sleeve here is a backup disk that contains your original NAND dump, CPU key, freestyle dash, dash launch, XCX menu, all that sort of good stuff. So pop it into your PC, take a look at that backup stuff. Also be sure to take a look at the final confirmation video links that come in that email. There's a good one to a playlist by XX Modded Warfare, which will basically teach you how to do anything you want to do on an RGH. So the console, as you can see, booted, really nice boot times, and went directly into Freestyle Dashboard here. So we'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and head it out your way tomorrow. Thanks very much.
Okay,